Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Lal Abhishek of Ranchi Metro in Ladakh will be cremated today. Shops will remain closed. On Wednesday, a final farewell will be given to Lal Abhishek Kumar Sahu of Ranchi, who was martyred while guarding India's border in Ladakh. The people of the village are also waiting for the body of this Indian Army soldier who sacrificed on the border. The dead body of the military will reach Ranchi on Tuesday evening. After this, Abhishek's body will be taken to his central village with full respect. National Level Monitor will evaluate and monitor the things from October 28. The National Level Monitor team from Delhi will investigate the status of development schemes in Garhwal district. From Wednesday, the team members will investigate it. For this, the meeting of NLM was held on Tuesday under the chairman of Deputy Development Commissioner Satyendra Narayan Upadhyay in the Collectorate meeting room. On this occasion, other members of the team including Dr. Sunil Singh Chauhan of National Level Monitor were present. There will be institutional development of 30 panchayats and 171 villages in 5 districts. Union Minister for Tribal Affairs Arjun Munda inaugurated 2 Center Art of Excellence for the welfare of tribal sections in collaboration with the Art of Living on Tuesday. That the founder of the Art of Living, spiritual guru Sri Ravi Shankar, was also present on the occasion. Efforts will be made to strengthen Panchayat Raj Institute in 30 Gram Panchayats and 171 villages of 5 districts of Saraikela East, West Simbhum, Khutti and Gumla districts of Jharkhand to create a self-reliant India so that elected representatives of these institutes will be given tribal laws and to be made aware of the rules. Passengers train will run on track by becoming Mail and Express. Passenger trains of South Eastern Railway will now run as Mail and Express. To change the trend of trains, the proposal of 36 passenger trains was sent to the Railway Board by the Deputy Railway Zone, which includes 12 passenger trains of the Chakradharpur Railway Board, on which Railway Board Deputy Director Vivek Kumar Sinha approved. Also, the converted trains have been ordered to run in the new timetable. Soon after getting the order, passenger trains will be changed to Mail and Express in Chakradharpur, Ranchi, Kharagpur and Adra railway divisions with new guidelines. The fate of 3 Jharkhand Mukti Morcha candidates will be decided in the first phase. The fate of the 3 candidates of the ruling Jharkhand Mukti Morcha in Jharkhand in the first phase voting for Bihar Assembly election 2020 is also decided. Angry over not getting a single seat under the Grand Alliance, the JMM has announced to file 7 of its candidates in the Bihar Assembly election 2020. The fate of 3 of these will be decided in the first phase election. These 3 candidates are trying their luck in Banka and Jamui districts bordering Bihar and Jharkhand. There are 2 women among them. Elizabeth Soren, sister-in-law of Prithvi Raj Himbram, who is contesting on JMM ticket. 3 candidates of Jharkhand Mukti Morcha are in fair in the first phase of the election to be held in 3 phases of Bihar Assembly election 2020. The first phase of the Chakai Assembly seat in Jamui adjacent to the Giridih district is on Wednesday. From here, Jharkhand's ruling party Jharkhand Mukti Morcha has made Elizabeth Soren its candidate. Hours of investigation against DPM in PP kit purchase scam. Many important documents searched. District of DPM unit posted on contact under the NHM at Sadar Hospital, Chaibasa in West Simbhum district, accused in various financial matters including purchase of PP kit during Corona period. On Tuesday, a 2-member inquiry committee came to inspect against the program officer Neeraj Kumar Yadav on the instruction of DC Arva Rajkamal. The inquiry committee reached to inspect District Land Acquisition Officer Health Department Nodal in charge Izab Anwar along with the head of the investigation team, Dr. Jagannath Hembram, MOIC of Sadar Block, examined the financial irregularity during COVID-19 from about 4 hours. 26 company forces from Jharkhand to conduct Bihar Assembly election 2020. 10 districts borders sealed. The boundaries of 10 districts of Jharkhand have been completely sealed during Bihar Assembly election 2020. 26 companies have been sent from Jharkhand to conduct the three-phase assembly election in the neighboring state. This includes the personnel of the District Reserve of the Indian Reserve Battalion, Jharkhand Armed Police and Jharkhand Police. Police forces have been sent to Bihar from pickets everywhere except in the most sensitive areas of Jharkhand. The children of a family drawn in Bagmunda River for picnic from Ranchi. 25 people of the same family from Namko Matua Toli Ranchi came to Bagmunda Fall in Basaya block on Sunday for a picnic. 7 children drowned in the sudden torrent of the Bagmunda River while taking bath of around 12 pm. 4 of them were saved by the villagers, wherever 2 sons of James Peter Eka, Jayakant and Ankit Arpan died due to drowning. After that, the bodies were recovered. At the same time, Ishika, the 7-year-old daughter of Abhishek Tigga, is still missing. Street robbers kidnapped brother and sister, 5 taken into custody by police. Armed criminals near Mamunda Khakha and her elder brother Sanjeev Ranjan Bhagat were killed by armed criminals on Sunday evening near Charandi Navatolia of Garwa police station area. The criminals kidnapped both and then stoned and killed them. Police received information about the incident on Monday morning. Mamta's body was found in Doba while brother's body was found in the field. Hemant Soren again accused the central government of stepmotherly behavior. Said will drive BJP. State Chief Minister cum Jharkhand Mukti Morcha Executive Chairman Hemant Soren has said that we have 50 MLAs. The government will not fall from this by-election, but with the decision of the people, they will chase the BJP more vigorously with sticks. Mr. Soren said these things in an election public relation in Lakhikundi, Dumka. Take care of yourself if votes are going to be cast in the middle of the corona crisis. During voting in Bihar Legislative Assembly election, you have to follow many rules. For this, Election Commission has released several guidelines in the past. Special preparations have been made by the Election Commission to conduct this election. Before entry into the booth, the body temperature of the voters will be checked with thermometers. In addition to this, there will be sanitizer, soap, mask, face shield and gloves in the polling station. Apart from this, entire centers will be cleaned a day before date of vote. Rulers party got a big shock before voting. Pushpam Priya detained by police. Before the first phase of Bihar election voting, the Ruler Party have suffered a big step back. Ruler Party's chief Pushpam Priya Chaudhary has been taken into custody by the police. Pushpam Priya was going to lay siege with supporters at Raj Bhavan. Let us know you that the elections for the first phase of Bihar Assembly is on October 28, in which voting is for 71 seats. How many days will have to wait to buy bullet in festive season? At the same time, the demand of Royal Enfield Classic 350, a bike inspired by the time of World War II, is also good this time. There is a tremendous craze of Bullet motorcycle in this festive season. The Bullet Enfield Classic 350 is one of the company's best-selling motorcycles. If you are thinking about buying this festive season, then you may have to wait a long time to get this motorcycle. The reason is that the demand for this motorcycle is so high that it has a long waiting period in different cities. Battery of this quad camera smartphone will run for 2 months. Price less than 9,000. Smartphone maker Infinix recently launched its new handset Infinix Hot 10 in the Indian market. Now the company may launch its affordable variant. The Infinix Hot 10 has been launched in the new 4G RAM plus 46 GB storage variant, which will be available for sale through e-commerce site Flipkart on October 29 from 12 noon at a price of rupees 8,999. The Infinix Hot 10 smartphone was launched in India earlier this month in 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage variant, and now it has been available in a new variant. In this way, now this smartphone will be available in two variants. Kerala becomes the first state in the country to fix minimum price of vegetables. The base price will be 20% more than the cost of production. This minimum or base price of vegetables will be 20% more than the cost of production of vegetables. Chief Minister Piranai Vijayan gave this information. He said that this scheme will be effective from November 1. Inaugurating the scheme online, Chief Minister Vijayan said that this is the first time when the base price was fixed for 16 varieties of vegetables produced in Kerala. He said that this is the first such initiative by any state which will provide relief and assistance to farmers. COVID-19 updates. On October 27 in Jharkhand, the total number of corona infections have reached 1 lakh. On 31st March 2020, a Malaysian girl was found from Ranchi's Hindpidi as the first corona infected. Since then till October 27, 1,224 have been infected. So far, 31,52,647 people have been corona examined in the entire state. However, in these, 93,874 infected have become healthy, while 876 infected have died. Corona currently has 5,474 active cases in this state. Weather updates. In Ranchi, temperature will almost be 15 degrees Celsius to 28 degrees Celsius. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 80.73 with a decrease of 0.27 and diesel up to rupees 74.58 with a decrease of 0.33. Special about today. On 28 October 1928, Indian freedom fighter Lala Lajpat Rai injured leading silent protest against visiting British Commission in Lahore. On 1996, Goa upset Karnataka to win their first Ranji Cricket Trophy game ever. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like, comment and share.